Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu reports, Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha complained of the trouble of grinding the floor by grindstone. She later came to know that some slave girls had come in the custody of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So she went to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam to ask for a slave girl. But Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was not at home. So she mentioned it to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha. When the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam came, Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha apprised him of that matter. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to our house and reached the bedroom. When we intended to get up, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Stay where you are," till I, Hazrat Ali, felt the coolness of his feet in my chest. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Shouldn't I tell you a thing better than what you both are asking for? When you intend to sleep, pronounce Allahu Akbar. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is the greatest, 34 times. Alhamdulillah, all praise on to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, 33 times. And Subhanallah, glory be to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, 33 times. This is better for you than what you both were asking for." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3113.